First, boil the water. Then, put the tea into a tea bag. First, boil the water. Tea aside to brew as you make the bubbles. Small pot most of the way with hot water. How many boba you will need. This is a good amount for 2 cups of tea. Pour the boba into the boiling water. Stir the boba until they rise to the surface. All risen, turn down the heat to medium-low and cover the pot most of the way. Boba cook like this for 7 minutes. Once the 7 minutes have finished, turn off the heat and put the lid on completely. Let the boba sit here for 8 minutes. Fill up a bowl with water and add a few ice cubes to it. After the 8 minutes are up, strain the boba. Then put them in the cold water bath that you've already prepared. Stir them for about 20 seconds until the ice is gone and the boba are fairly cool. Strain the boba once more. Put them back in the bowl along with quite a bit of sugar or honey. Stir until each individual pearl is coated with sugar or honey. Leave these to sit as you make the tea, but remember to come back and stir them about every minute. Divide the tea up so that you have 1 cup per glass. To the hot tea, first add 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Then add 2 heaping tablespoons of white sugar to the mix. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of evaporated milk to each cup. Mine are in the form of pre-measured ice cubes, but yours will probably be liquid in a can. Then stir it. Remember to keep stirring your boba so that they don't get hard. Add some ice to a blender. Add water up to the level of the ice to the blender. Blend the ice using a plunger until it's fully crushed. This is what your ice should look and sound like when it's done blending. Just get a friend to hold the strainer and pour out all of the ice. Rest the ice on top of the blender for easy access. To prepare the final cup, first add some boba to 1 cup. Then fill the cup up with crushed ice. Next, very carefully pour in the tea, preferably over a sink. Put in a straw, stir, and enjoy. Pro tip: if you want to make your boba taste even better, drizzle some more evaporated milk on top. Thanks for watching.